It all started with the humble beginning, believing window is one of the core elements in every room, where the light comes in to create good mood and ambiance. We're in partnership with manufacturing companies producing best fabrics and components with high quality and decade of proven track records to create Mowin blind for our clients. Dedicated in giving only the best service, we strive to fabricate quality and innovative blinds products that are functional yet beautiful to exceed our clients' need, and to consistently improving our service to be a preferred brand for our clients. Our vision: become the preferred and trusted brand for window blinds in Indonesia. Our mission: Mowin dedicated team works relentlessly to make each products with great care and attention, ensuring our clients' satisfaction and trust are maintained each time and every time. Cleverly constructed to work like roller blind and look like a shutter when viewed from distance. Our 3D blinds are strong and stylish, with a modern design that will simply add sophistication to every room. Available in manual or motorized systems. Two alternating layers of translucent and opaque horizontal stripped fabrics gives you a roller blind with Venetian blind effect. Alternate the stripped layers to suit your privacy and light control, or rolls up and out of the way just like roller blind does. ViewMax is an upgrade of our basic V-series system to ensure the two layers of fabric are tightly pressed together when the vanes are sliding to open or close, effectively eliminating light gaps between. The vanes can be opened or closed either horizontally or vertically to provide light and privacy control. Smart Multi-Roll. The smart system features an enlarged head box which accommodates easy operation of otherwise restrictively large and heavy fabrics blinds. Vertical blinds. Traditional vertical blinds are excellent choice and is a very versatile product suitable for many applications in both domestic and professional environments. Skylight blinds. Our interior skylight blinds offer the perfect solution to cover ceilings and give the elegant touch to the room. Mowin exterior blinds protect your home from the sun with our stylish range of exterior blinds. The blinds act as a barrier on windows and patios, helping you save on energy costs and making your heating and cooling work more effectively.